Okay, today we are continuing with multiplication. We are continuing with multiplication, and we are doing a multiplication of proper fractions. Multiplication of proper fractions. Yes, and we now know what a fraction is, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Fraction, we have two numbers. The smaller one on top of a bigger number, that's a proper fraction. The smaller number is on top of a bigger number. Like in half here, 1 is smaller than 2 there. And this is a proper fraction. And you have learned that the numerator is the top number, which is 1 there, and the number below is the denominator. We know that, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Male Junior, stop yawning. Okay, so I've said we are doing multiplication of fractions, and we have learned that they use different names. When multiplying, they can say times, that x there, times, it means you are multiplying, or they can say 3 multiplied by 2, we are still multiplying, or they can use of. You still remember of this one?
Yes.
Instead of, it means you are multiplying. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So we want to find half of 8. We want to find half of 8. Look at my paper here. We want to find half of 8. So how do you work it out? We have got 2 ways that we are going to use in order for you to get your answer. Tadiwa, look at me, look at the paper. Okay, so I said we are going to use 2 methods to find our answer. So this is the first what method that you can use. This is the first method that we can use. Okay, so half of 8. Of means multiply, and then you write it down like this. You write it down as it is there, but we can also write it putting 8 in brackets. This is what you were doing yesterday, isn't it?
Yes.
In the homework that I gave you yesterday, you were doing this, where there is a bracket. Bracket also means multiply. The bracket also means what? Multiply. Yes. And then we now want to solve. We now want to solve it. Working, can you see it there? Can you see where I've written working? Tadiwa,
No.
are you seeing it? Agatha?
No.
No. Oh, but you have copied it. Look at your papers. Look at where you copied this. Look at your paper where you copied the whole thing. Can you see it?
Yes.
Where you wrote working, can you see that on your paper, Agatha? Did you copy everything from the paper?
No.
You didn't. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah, where, Yes, you can see it now. And can you see where I wrote working? Half of 8. You have seen it?
Yes.
Yes, it's the same as saying half bracket 8. Can you see that here?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the next stage there? Half of 8, which means we are adding half. How many times? In brackets here. Which number is in brackets here?
8.
8. And yes. So which means we can add half 8 times. Can you write half plus half 8 times?
Okay.
Right? 8 halves. Make sure they are 8. Okay, half plus half plus half plus half plus half until they are 8. If you return 8, Tadiwa, 8 halves,
No.
you are done, Agatha.
Yes.
Count if they are 8. They are 8.
Yes.
Good. Tadiwa and Mel, you are still writing your halves there.
Done.
You are done. Okay.
Yes.
Tadiwa, finish up.
Okay.
You remember last time we said, let's say if it is 3 times 2, we said we can also get the answer by adding 3 2 times. If you say 3 plus 3 and 3 times 2, I'm trying to explain, don't write this down. I said I want you to understand why we are adding here, because it is the same with what we did last time. We said, for example, if it is 3 times 2, it means that we can add 3 2 times. So we can say 3 plus 3 and we get 6. That's another way of working out our answers. So that's the reason why we are adding these halves. We are adding them 8 times. So if we add them 8 times, we get 4. Can you see the 4? Agatha, look here. Can you see the 4 here, my answer?
Yes.
At the bottom, you can see it, Sadiwa.
Yes.
Yes. How did we get the 4? Can you see these curves that I've written here? Can you see them?
Yes.
Yes. I was saying half plus half. Here, I get 1. Can you see that?
Yes.
And then half plus half again, these 2, I get 1 also. You see it?
Yes.
Yes, can you do that to your 8 halves? Take 2, 2, 2 at a time, and you write 1, 1, 1 underneath. Group them, 2, 2, 2, 2. And you write your answers down 1, 1, 1. If we take 1/2 plus the other half, we get 1/2. That's where our 1 is coming from. How many groups did you have? If you were grouping them two, how many groups do you have? Count them, the groups. Group 1. Let's count them. 1. I'm waiting. Can we say it together? 1. 1.
1.
A. Let's move. Yes, 2. A.
3.
Yes. The last one. 4. We have got 4 groups. We have got how many?
4 groups.
Yes. So if we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, what do we get? If we add 1 4 times for those 4 groups, what do we get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Yes, Agatha? Yes, Agatha?
Equals to 4.
We get 4. Yes, Mel, it's...
Get 4.
Yes, that's where my 4 is coming from. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this is our first method. Have you copied everything down for this example?
Yes.
We copied up to the end, Jan. Okay, Tadiwa, copy up to the end. Okay. Michelle. Okay. So Tadiwa. Michelle, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, welcome. We missed you.
Thank you.
Okay. Michelle, we are doing multiplication of fractions. We are doing multiplication of fractions. Can you copy this down? Can you see it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, write it down, Michelle. Tadiwa, what are you still copying?
I'm not done.
Okay. You are done now.
No.
Michelle, are you seeing everything?
Is the answer is 4.
Okay, you have copied everything.
Yes. 1/2 of 8 is equals to 4.
You write half of 8, copy it as it is. Half of 8. And then you write
Yes.
half of 8.
I have copied, teacher.
You have copied.
Yes.
Good girl. Okay. So now we are moving on to the other method. We are moving on to the other method. This one is shorter. Can you copy it? This is shorter, only 1, 2, 3, 4 stages. Can we copy this one? Write number 2. Okay. If you are not seeing clearly, say so.
I'm done writing.
You are done. Good.
I cannot see.
Right, faster. Now you are done.
I can't see.
You can't see Agatha. Can you see? Okay, let's write faster because we might run out of time before we finish. Okay, are you done now, Agatha?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
finish up as we are explaining. Okay, we have 3/4 of 12. That's what you wrote. 3/4 of 12.
Yes.
Yes. And we said of means the same as times. Of means the same as times. Like what I've written here. I've written again these numbers, but I put times. Can you see
Okay.
that?
Yes.
Yes. And the next stage, we start with the denominator of this fraction. Can you see?
Tell us.
We start with the denominator of this fraction, 3/4. The denominator is 4. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Tabiwa, where are you now? You are yeah. Okay, so we say 4 divided by 4. 4 gets into 4, 1. Write the 1 there. Can you see it, Agatha?
Yes.
Yeah. And then we divide the denominator by 12 again. Cancel the 12 there to show that we are dividing. Okay, can you see that?
Yes.
12 divided by 4. What do we get? Can you draw 12 strokes and then divide by 4?
4 what?
12 strokes and then you divide by 4. Let's draw quickly. We are running out of time. Yes, ma'am.
It's 3.
Yes, we get 3. There is the 3 there. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. So our answer now will multiply. Remember, there is another 3. So it's 3 times 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. 3 times 3, we get 9. 9 is our final answer. 9 is our final answer. Okay, so I am going to put the weight on the platform, and you are going to choose which method is easier for you. This first one, where we were adding, or this one, where we were dividing. And so you choose, you have the methods with you, and you choose from the work that I'm going to give you which one you can use. Can we quickly do one so that I see if we have, while we are finishing up, right? 2
Yes.
over 4 times 8. 2 over 4 times 8. Two over 4 times 8. So we say 4 into 4, male. 4 into 4, cancel that 4 by denominator.
4 into 4
And write 1 at the bottom. And then you say 4 into 8. 8 divided by 4. 4 into 8, it gets how many times? 4 gets 8 how many times? Michelle, 4 gets into 8 how many times? Yes,
2
Agatha.
times. 2.
Eh?
2.
4 gets into 8 2 times. And then we say 2 times 2. 2 times 2. What do we get?
2 times 2.
Yes, ma'am?
4.
4. So 4 is our answer. Write your answer there equal to 4. Okay. So you now know how to do your work now?
Yes.
Yes. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Love you. See you tomorrow.